And today we say, I care. We can fix this. We can stop this madness right now, right here, in the middle of this football field, and stop moving the goalposts. Mr. President, Your Excellency, Honorable Minister, my delegation calls on you most respectfully to lead us and let Poland and Warsaw be remembered forever as the place where we truly cared to stop this madness.
Good morning to all of you. Thankful in behalf of the clergy, the religious, and the faithful. Space of
We've been here yesterday since in the early morning. We have nothing to eat and we're struggling and we don't have any energy.
This is not public relations. This is humanitarian assistance for people who are, who suffer so much. We need to give them something to eat because many of these people, especially the kids, have been having no food for the past few days.
Pagdating ng mga natural disasters, talagang dasal lang ang katapat natin dyan. Pero importante ho na magawa natin yung lahat ng pwede natin gawin. Hiwa-hiwalay nga lugar dito. Sa totoo lang, may mga lugar na ang gusto kong ipagdiinan, may kakayahan ng gobyerno, marami hong tumutulong sa ating mga bansa, 28 bansa na hong tumutulong sa atin. Kaya ba natin ibangon? Pwede. No? Kayang-kaya. Pero pag kayo nagkusa sa bawat lugar, no, mas dadali ang proseso, mas mapapabilis.